Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a part 2 version of the Dewy Kristin, and this one will be talking about the grey color. So previously they have released the brown one, but this time they have bring in the grey one probably like a month ago now, so I finally have the chance to review it. With this diameter, it actually comes in two diameters, 11.8 and 12.0 millimeter. One that I currently have on my eyes right now is 12.0 millimeter, and I think that this is probably like the smallest diameter that I would go for. But the whole concept of this is trying to give you this very realistic, natural looking eyes that really just blend so smoothly and nicely into your natural eye color. So for me, this grey one, it would probably be the most natural one compared to the brown, just because my natural eye color is much more of a dark brown slash almost black. So I feel like this grey one, when I put it on, it legit just looks like my natural eye color. And I know I did say that for the brown is probably the closest realistic contact lens that I would go for apart from the clear one, but I would have to say this grey one is probably replacing the brown one a little bit more. And I just feel like with this grey, it's so beautiful, it just looks so gorgeous on my eyes. And what I really like about this is that it really gives you this uneven tone finish onto the eyes. It doesn't look like a complete grey on your eyes, it legit look like half a crescent moon. It's not a crescent moon shape, but it just looked like there's crescent moon going on my eyes without any border. It just looked like my eyes, which I think is really pretty, and it's just much more obvious in terms of the pattern compared to the brown. And I like that because of this grey tone. It really just gives me this two-tone finish on my eyes, just because I can see the inner part of my natural eye color coming out, which looks much more brown. And then you have the grey on top, which I think is actually really unique. When I look at it, I just feel like it's just very gorgeous and really gives this really beautiful watery eye effect on my eyes as well, which I think is gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.